Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In daily activity, people will definitely meet each other, and communication is something that will happen. The purpose of the communication is to convey information to the interlocutor. Therefore, in conveying information, the person must convey the information clearly so that there is no misunderstanding. And there are rules that must be observed in communication. So, the principle of cooperation is the principle that speakers and listeners must contribute to what is needed to each other in order to have an understanding of the meaning conveyed. There are four cooperative principles proposed by Chris. Those are maximum quantity, quality, relevance, and manner. However, communication between speaker and listener will not always be successful. Sometimes there is a misunderstanding between the speaker and the listener in conveying the meaning, which results in floating maxims. The appearance of this is a form of someone's ignorance of the existing rules when speaking. Therefore, the cooperative principle of communication is an effective means of communication. In this case, I will analyze the errors that occur when communicating in the movie Rush Hour 3 using the theory of Joan cutting. This study also aims to find out what types of floating of maxims occur in communication and also the reasons for these occurrences. This study is important to do so that we can find out where the error is in communication so that good communication can occur. This data was taken from the movie entitled Rush Hour 3 and was released in 2007. In collecting data, the researcher used reading and writing technique. While analyzing data, the researcher watched or reading the dialogue and take note the dialogue. And the data will be analyzed by following steps. The first one is classifying the dialogue that appropriate to the analysis. The second one is identifying the types of floating maxim in the dialogue. And the last one is identifying the reason of floating maxim. So that's all for my explanation. My name is Safril. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.